Hey guys, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are pickling cucumbers very quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl of pickling cucumbers, 6 1-liter mason jars. In each mason jar you are going to half 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, and 2 stems of dill, fresh dill cut up. So you're going to put that at the bottom of each mason jar. As you do that, on the stove, you are going to boil 8 cups of water with 6 cups of white vinegar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 6 tablespoons of canning or pickling salt. As that boils, we are going to start putting the pickles into the jar, and we are going to fill it all the way up. So when you're done, it'll look like this. I forgot to mention you should be washing your cucumbers off before you put them in the jar. Once you've got the pickles stuffed into the jars, you can also add 5 peppercorns on top. This is just a little bit of extra spice. It's not necessary, but we're going to do it. Now that this has come to a boil, we are going to ladle them into our pickle jars and leave about 1/2 inch headspace. So we're just pouring the brine in. It's very hot, so be careful. We're just pouring it until we get it to the top here. There we are. And then once we're done that, we're going to take a moist cloth or paper towel, wipe the rim for any debris, and then we're going to put the hot lids on and the bands. Once your water is boiled, we are going to drop these guys into the water and process for 15 minutes. And then we're just taking them out of the water bath after 15 minutes. And here we are. We have fresh pickles. These are going to be so good, you guys. Stay tuned for our next video where we can some more stuff. Thanks for joining us. Bye.